Hello guys, hope you're doing well. So today I have brought you a very nice collection of some of the rare minerals. uh, this is going to be an educational video for you people, so kindly have a look, and we will be randomly gradually naming each and every different mineral here. So let's go ahead.
Clinososite, Derewite, Hayun, Garnet, Enstatite, Stibiotantalite, Albite, Basnasite, Garnet, Celestine, Apatite, Bisovenite, Rhodochrosite, Clinohomite, Afghanite, Uwite, Apatite, Garnet, Alkali beryl.
Thank you. So these are fluorescent apatite.
Yes.
They are very beautiful. These are coming from Afghanistan, right?
Kunar province.
Okay, Kunar province from Afghanistan. And these are hydroxyl herdidite. No.
Clinohomite.
Sorry, hydroxyl clinohomite. So beautiful. Okay, these apatite, you can see there is a ferrite-like structure inside, and it is the needles are actually manganorabicite. So these white ones are grassular white rare garnets. And have a look at these clinohomites. Sorry, clinososite. Yes, clinososite. There are so many different names. And this one is Uwite trevite tourmaline. And this is Besnasite from Zagi Mountains. And these new find of Vizuinite, where are they coming from? Pakistan. Do you know any specific region name? No? Like, I think they are coming from Shalman. Now here are some Afghanite. And these are mini rhodochrosite. It's also a new find from Skardum, Sugar Valley, northern Pakistan. And these mini crystals are Uwite tourmaline from Afghanistan, also a new find. And this is roboite, alkali beryl or verroboite. See the miniature here, very beautiful crystals. These many other ones are demontite garnets, crystallized. So guys, these are the celestine that are new find recently from Afghanistan, Balghis province. So beautiful. Thank you for watching, and kindly subscribe my channel for further notifications and more videos.